Check out what we have here, unique especially in classics. 2004 Chevrolet SSR, retractable hardtop roadster pickup, I guess is what it would be technically. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 60,000 is all on this one. Ricochet silver, ebony interior, 5.3 liter V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, so nicely equipped. And as you can see, front fascia, grille, paint on this shows very nice. Check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see it from every angle. Underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it, interior, nice looking interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. That's if you're watching it on YouTube. Like I said, in the description, there'll be a link. Click on it. Call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome SSR wheels. As you can see, disc brakes up front. Let's take a look at the condition of the paint down the passenger side. It's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I haven't noticed really much at all for imperfections, so nice condition paint. Interior same way, leather in good shape, of course. Leather bucket, center console, very stock looking interior. And we will get around to the driver's side. I'm going to start it up, let's hear it run. We'll also take a peek underneath the hood, take a look at the engine bay, and we'll take a look at the bed here in just a second too. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Come around to the driver's side, and you can see paint shows well on this side also. If you're into some of these later model hot rods, some of the specialty vehicles, maybe just like Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The vehicles are uploaded, or I should say the videos of the vehicles are uploaded daily along with their pictures. And when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. All right, I want to pop this trunk a second, or I should say the bed of the vehicle. So I got to grab the keys. On the key fob, there's a button. Pops this top tonneau cover. And I wanted to show you a couple things back here. So we do have the teak wood bed. As you can see, we have the storage compartments, which are removable on both sides. And I do want to mention, as far as the tailgate, it must be open. Tailgate open to close the cargo or tonneau cover. So that gets closed first, and do it in that order, because then you can close that. But I want to show you it had the teak wood and those storage compartments, and also how it works. All right, let's go ahead and check out the condition of these seats quick. As you can see, heated seat, power seat over here on the driver's side with memory settings. The leather, ebony leather, nice shape. Bolster, not really showing much wear at all. Of course, steering wheel controls for driver's information center, as well as the stereo. Cruise controls over here on the stock. And this is a power retractable hardtop, and I will show you going up and back down both ways. So we'll check that out here in a bit. First of all, let's get it fired up so you can hear it run. So there's your exact mileage, 60,560. AM, FM cassette player, radio is working. And remember, AC blows cold. Rest of the dash, good shape. That passenger side seat is in nice shape as the driver. No surprises on this one, folks. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Take a listen. Nothing over the top for exhaust. Just a nice sounding 5.3, little rumble to it. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second, and I wanna get this hood open. I'm gonna explain something about that also. And then we'll get this top going up and down. We'll also take it for a drive. Stick around to the very end. All right, so I want to show you this hood liner. Nice and clean and tidy, correct SSR hood liner. Now, something I want to mention. This piece right here, that's composite. That is not metal, and this hood is not light by any means. So, when you unlatch this hood from inside the vehicle, and then you pull this with your left hand or right hand, however it may be, and you lift this hood to open it, grab it here on the metal part of the hood. Don't lift from the Chevy emblem piece. Those are known to break the brackets out that it's mounted with. So just a little heads up, this one looks good. It's not loose. It's been done right. Something you need to know about, something for the next owner. Or if you have an SSR, you just happen to be watching this video, you probably know what I'm talking about. So there it is, 5.3 liter. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Should have a jump point right down here. The battery's located, I believe, passenger side rear. If you'd happen to need to charge it or jump it. There you go, nice and clean and tidy under the hood too. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I'm gonna close that hood up. I'm gonna pause it, and I wanna show you this retractable hardtop operation going up. We'll check out the condition of it, and I'll put it back down. So give me a second, and let's check it out. And here it is with the top up. As you can see, works as it should. Rolled the side glass up too there, so you can see that that's a nice tight fit. Finish of the paint, like the rest of the vehicle. No surprises on this top. And also nice having the hard top. Rear glass is tinted. Around to the passenger side, side glass, again, nice tight fit. Everything latched up properly, worked properly, and again, nice finish to the paint. 2004 Chevrolet SSR, a little over 60,000 miles, clean Carfax. Remember, stick around just a little longer. I'll put the top back down, show you how that works. Jason will take it for a drive. But first, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all those still pics. 507-386-1726, number to call. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2004 Chevrolet SSR, the retro styled pickup in silver, and we do have the top down today. This is a convertible, of course. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's super easy for anybody to drive. Nice rumble coming out of the back of this little machine. The AC's blowing cold. Nice leather bucket seats in this vehicle. Our stereo system works as it should. Speedometer working as it should. The tachometer as well. Odometer showing just over 60,000 miles. Just barely even broke in. Temperature gauge is still rising. It's at about a quarter of the way up. And oil pressure about 50 psi. And the fuel gauge is working, showing a little less than half of a tank. A little bit of a rattle on the driver's door. Probably only when the top is down. Brakes are working very well. Corners nicely. Doesn't lean much in the corners. The transmission kicks down as it should, and you feel the power. This is a very nice condition. Fun to drive. Chevrolet SSR. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.